If you're done with your NFL Fantasy League and want to completely delete your account, I will walk you through each step so you can remove it quickly and securely. First, open the NFL Fantasy app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on the option Edit My Account. Now go ahead and click on the option Edit Profile. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you're gonna find the option Delete Profile. Click on that. With that, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up along with your NFL account. NFL Plus, NFL League, likewise Fantasy will also be deleted. Click on the option Yes, cancel my account now. You'll be prompted to enter your password, type in that, and just with that your account will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete your Fantasy League account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.